Now students, we will do question number 9. In this question ABCD is a parallelogram such that DP equals to BQ. So हमें DP is equal to BQ given है and we have to show that triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB. फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमें ये प्रूव करना है, these two triangles को congruent प्रूव करना है. Then सेकेंड पार्ट ए पी इक्वल्स टू सी क्यू हमें प्रूव करना है. थर्ड ए क्यू बी कॉन्ग्रेंट टू ट्रेंगल सी पी डी एंड देन ए क्यू इक्वल्स टू सी पी एंड फिफ्थ पार्ट ए पी सी क्यू इज अ parallelogram. So all these things we have to prove. Now we will move to the solution. We will write these two triangles APD and in triangle CQB. We will find out three equal things in these two triangles. So you will write here in triangle APD and triangle CQB. Yes. Now AD is equal to BC and DP is equal to BQ. DP is equal to BQ, it is already given. So you can write here PD equals to QB or DP equals to BQ, whatever you want to write you can write, and its reason is given. After that beta ABCD is a parallelogram, so BC will be equal to रहेगा AD के. Why? Because these are the opposite sides of parallelogram. So you will write the reason and after that beta you can mark the angles 1 and 2. AD जो है बेटा BC के parallel रहेगा तो angle 1 और 2 जो हैं those are alternate interior angles. So firstly you will write this angle 1 equals to angle 2 alternate interior angle and then you will write the equal side AD is equal to BC. हम एंगल को पहले लिखेंगे because we are applying the SAS criteria. So we will mark the angle first and then AD equals to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram. You have to write the reason also. So students, by SAS side angle side both the triangles are congruent. So you will write triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB by SAS congruency criteria. So we have done the first part. Now for second part AP equals to CQ. You can easily see that beta APD triangle की जो side है that is AP and CQD triangle की जो side है beta that is CQ. So AP equals to CQ by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Then part third triangle AQB congruent to triangle CPD. हमें इन दोनों triangles को congruent prove करना है. So I am moving this figure to that side and I am writing the solution here. Now in triangle AQB and triangle CPD find three equal things of these two triangles. So as you can see students, again three things we will find out by SAS criteria. We will prove these two triangles congruent. So write down those things. Same thing BQ or QB you can write it equals to PD or DP you can write. BQ equals to DP and its reason is given. After that same thing we will find out the angle. So you can mark this angle 3 and angle 4 you will mark because AB is parallel to CD and angle 3 और 4 जो रहेंगे बेटा BD transversal रहेगा. AB parallel to CD and BD is transversal. So angle 3 will be equal to angle 4, alternate interior angles. After that AB equals to CD, opposite sides of parallelogram. So here you will mention AB equals to CD, opposite sides of the parallelogram are always equal. So by side angle side triangle AQB congruent to triangle CPD. After that we have proved the third part. Then move to the fourth part. AQ equals to CP, because these are the corresponding parts of both the triangles. So we will write here AQ equals to CP by CPCT. So fourth part we have proved. Then for the fifth part, APCQ is a parallelogram. सो बेटा इक्वेशन नंबर 1 और 2 हम यहाँ मेंशन करेंगे. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 जो रहेगी दैट इज़ AP इज इक्वल टू CQ, इसको हम इक्वेशन नंबर 1 कहेंगे, और AQ इक्वल्स टू CP को इक्वेशन नंबर 2 हम कहेंगे. देन फ्रॉम 1 and 2 AP इक्वल्स टू CQ and AQ equals to CP. If both the pair of sides are equal, then we will say that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So you can write here from 1 and 2 APCQ is a parallelogram, because we have find out both the pairs are equal. So you will just mention here APCQ is a parallelogram.